Alright, here's another quick and easy for you. 2006 Subaru Outback sedan. Hub replacement on this, real quick and easy. First of all, get yourself some big ass jack stands so you get this up in the air and nice and roomy under here. You want to get the brake caliper out of the way. Don't stress out that hose. Get this disgusting disc out of here. Now when you're trying to get this out, you might think there's a whole bunch of stuff going on here and that you need to take this apart all the way. You don't. Get the axle nut off of here. And then what I suggest, use something softer, like there's a brass. Push the axle back just so you break that loose a little bit. And then the next part is all underneath. So on the back side, you're gonna have 4 bolts to undo, and there's 14 millimeter. If you're convenient, you got an impact with some, wobbles and some extensions to make that happen quick and easy. Here's the trick. Leave the bolts threaded in a little bit, and then take your punch, put it up in there, and start smacking it. Alright, you'll get the whole thing to break loose, and that is a lot easier than trying to pull it or nothing like that. Typically, you don't get new hardware, so, just be careful. Don't screw up your bolts, but this won't screw them up. Just give them a nice little love tap with your BFH, right? Your big friendly hammer is always there to help you out. And then what I like having something to kind of hold everything up. This come out usually as one whole unit. Typically the hub is seized up with the backing plate here. So what I like to do in that case, this one's already out. But let me just show you the other trick. You can undo the e-brake cable if you want, but you don't have to. All I did, so getting yourself some wood to support the backing plate or the e-brake and not the hub. You can take your BFH and then give it a little love tap again, and that'll help separate it. Oh, I need to do it. You ain't concerned about this right now because you're getting a new one. Boom. And you're good. You got yourself your hub out. Okay? You don't have to undo any of this stuff. It all just kind of fits right in there nice and pretty. Be sure to clean off, any of the surfaces that are mating surfaces, like, on the inside of the axle here. It's a little dirty. I'm going to clean that up. And then, oh, I was just about to say be extra careful with this because you don't want to screw up the ABS sensor on the back. So make sure that you don't drop it like I just did. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Your ABS sensor is on this little 10 millimeter bolt here. Take that out and get that out of the way before you start smacking anything. Otherwise you might damage that. So make sure you do that. That's an expensive fix. Anyways, reverse order, putting it back in, make sure it's all clean, and there's the quick and easy. I do this just as much as for myself, so I remember how to do this next time, and hopefully y'all appreciate it, and it helps you guys out. Alright, till next time, take it easy.